Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Cloud Pub/Sub for event-driven data step-by-step clearly. To get started with Google Cloud Pub/Sub, first, ensure you have a Google Cloud account. Visit the Google Cloud console at console.cloud.google.com. If prompted, sign in with your Google account credentials. Select or create a new project by clicking on the Project drop-down menu. On the left navigation menu, click on APIs and Services. Then, select Library from the API options. In the search bar, type Cloud Pub/Sub and select it from the results. Click the Enable button to activate the Pub/Sub API for your project. Next, return to the left navigation menu and select IAM and Admin. Click on Service Accounts to manage your service accounts. Select Create Service Account to start a new service account setup. Enter a name and description for your service account, then click Create. In the next step, you can assign roles. Choose the Pub/Sub Publisher role from the list of available roles. This allows your service account to publish messages to Pub/Sub topics. Click Continue and then Done to finish creating the service account. Now, find the service account you just created and click on it. In the Service Account Details page, click Keys and then Add Key. Select JSON as the key type and click Create. A JSON file will download to your computer. Keep this file secure, as it contains your credentials. Next, navigate back to the left menu and select Cloud Pub/Sub. Click on Topics to create a new topic. Click the Create Topic button to proceed. Enter a name for your new topic and click Create. Now that your topic is set up, you need to create a subscription. Click on the topic you just created and then select Subscriptions. Click the Create Subscription button. Enter a name for your subscription and choose the delivery type, such as pull or push. Configure any additional options according to your needs. Once done, click Create to finalize the subscription. Now you can start publishing messages to your topic. Use the Google Cloud SDK or the API client libraries to send messages. Remember to utilize the service account's credentials from the JSON file for authentication. With your setup complete, you're ready to start using Google Cloud Pub/Sub for event-driven data. Monitor your messages and subscriptions from the Cloud Pub/Sub dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.